Hola amigos y amigas, welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel, where we bring you the flavors of Mexico right into your kitchen. I'm your friendly guide, and today we're diving into the world of refreshing Mexican beverages with a twist of tamarindo. Get ready to quench your thirst and tantalize your taste buds with this fantastic Agua Fresca de Tamarindo. Tamarindo, oh tamarindo. This unique fruit hails from the tropical regions of Mexico and packs a tangy punch that will leave you craving for more. Its distinctive sweet and sour notes make it a star of our Agua Fresca. So let's embark on this deliciously fruity adventure together. Let's unveil the secret treasure inside the tamarind pots. Gently crack them open and reveal the sticky goodness within. It's like opening a little gift from nature. Now we'll remove the seeds and the fibrous bits, making sure to save all the luscious pulp. Now we're gonna heat up enough water to cover the tamarinds. We want them fully submerged. So heat up about 3 cups of water. In a bigger bowl, we're gonna go ahead and drop our tamarindo. Now let's go ahead and add the water. You could use this after 3 hours, but I highly recommend that you leave it overnight. The reason why you want to leave it overnight is because it'll make it easier to take off all the seeds. They almost literally will slide off. Now that they've been sitting overnight, this is how they should look, nice and puffy. This part's gonna get a little messy, so I suggest you put on some gloves. Go ahead and start mashing it up. You should feel the seeds come right through your fingers. This is how easy it should be to pull the seeds out. Mash, mash, mash it up. Alright, we need all of these seeds out. Before we continue, I would like to encourage you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps out our channel. Now, back to work. Now that we mashed it all up, we're gonna go ahead and run it through the collider just to get the pulp. Maybe I should have put it in a bigger bowl. This got pretty messy. You see this? This is what we want. This is what should be left over after you drain it all through. Behold, the gorgeous elixir we've created. The color is simply mesmerizing, like a sunset over the Mexican coastline. One sip of this delightful Agua Fresca de Tamarindo and you'll be transported to a sunny fiesta filled with laughter and joy. Go ahead and add water to where you had the tamarind pulp so you can get all of it out. I tried a little bit of that pulp. Can you taste it? The tanginess of the tamarind dancing on your taste buds, refreshing you from within. It's like a fiesta in your mouth, and the best part, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking, adding a touch of agave syrup or cane sugar. Delicioso. In our case, we're using sugar, 2 cups of it. Go ahead and pour it in. Don't forget to garnish your Agua Fresca de Tamarindo with a sprinkle of crushed ice. This is actually 4 cups of ice. It's like a little fiesta in a glass. Serve it at your next gathering and watch your friends and family delight in this vibrant, thirst-quenching creation. Go ahead and give it a quick mix before filling it up with water. Salud, amigos y amigas. Let's raise our glasses high and toast to the beauty of Mexican flavors. Here's to laughter, good company, and Agua Fresca de Tamarindo that brings a smile to our faces. Salud! Gracias for joining me on this flavor adventure today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mexican Food Channel for more mouth-watering recipes and culinary escapades. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of Mexican cuisine. Hasta luego!
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!